Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bolaji if you're new here, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to my channel. If you're already subscribed, thank you very much for subscribing, and if you're not, please click that subscribe button right now and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share, and follow my socials. They'll be in the description box below. And yes, so let's get right into it. So if you want to see how I achieved this crochet faux locks without using a crochet hook and using the wrapping method, keep on watching. So hi guys, and then I'm just going to work with this part of my hair and put some conditioner in it. And then put a little hair cream into my hair. Massage. So I'm just going to section this into 4 now and go with my detangling comb and detangle my hair. And now I'll go with my metal rat tail comb to section my hair into 4. After you feel like it's even enough, I'll go in with my clip to section that part of the hair I won't be using to the side so it won't get into the way. And now I'm just going to section this into 2 with my metal rat tail comb. And now just get that out of the way, and then that's what I'm working with. Use my Eco Styler gel to make my roots softer and look better. And I'm just going to braid my hair. You want to make sure that your braids are not too tight so you can have enough space for your locks to pass through. And now I'm just braiding it. So I'm done braiding, and then I'm going to go in with my lock, and you can see that hoop, and I'm just going to create a path for the loop to pass, for the lock to pass through. And you can see that it's passing freely. And now you just want to pull your hair into that loop and the other side of the lock into that loop too. Tighten and secure it down. Make sure it's tight. And now to the most important part. You're just going to unravel and twist. Unravel and twist. Unravel and twist. You can see that my hair is stationary and then the lock itself is the one that is moving. Unravel and twist. So now that you're almost done unraveling, and note if you finish unraveling and everything twists back up, then know that you didn't do it properly, so you have to go back and twist and unravel again. So now I'm just going to the next one now to do the same thing I did with the first. Going with my Eco Styler gel into my roots and braid. Don't braid too tightly, very important. I used 3 packs of the Faux Locs, and each pack came with 20, so that's 16 total. So now I'm going in with my lock. And I'm just going to create a path for it to pass through with my metal rat tail comb. And now your hair will pass through and the lock itself. This is a very easy do-it-yourself technique that you can do easily in your house, especially when you don't have a crochet hook. So you just unravel and twist, unraveling and twisting. So if you like this video so far, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Yes, click that button right now and subscribe. And now I'm done with that, and it's looking all cute. And I'm just going to section that into 2. Then keep that out of the way. Then work with this. Going on my gel once again. And unraveling and twisting now. I already braided it, so doing the main part of the work. So now I'm almost done with that. I was tired here already, my hands were hurting. It's okay to take a break. And now the last one, yay, I'm happy. So now I'm just going to create a path once again and put my lock into it. So I already used these locks before and I just washed it and conditioned this, so it's fine. You can always use another one. So now I'm just going to edge control my edges or whatever. And I found that using like the metal rat tail comb actually helps, and I think it's even better because my edges are really coarse and this is the only way they can stay well, and I can put them into any direction I want them to be. So now I'm just going with my normal cream to remove that whitish effect of the gel. They're looking all good, all cute. And I'll go in with my hair mousse now to put everything in place. If you can't go to a salon, this is a really easy technique. very easy, no stress at all. So I'm looking all cute now. I'm done and it's looking really good, really beautiful. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I don't know what I just did. Was that a thumbs up? Give it a thumbs up, guys, and subscribe to my channel. I've been seeing that you guys have not been subscribing. Please subscribe to my channel. And to all my new subscribers, thank you for subscribing. And don't forget to share this video and follow my socials. They'll be in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video.